A push for smoking laws in the country, with a bill proposing restrictions on smoking in public places. This will include a ban on the sale of cigarettes from vending machines, plain packaging of cigarettes products with graphic health warnings, and for the first time, e-cigarettes products will be regulated under tobacco control laws. According to the World Health Organization, e-cigarettes are currently banned in more than 30 countries. The organization recommends that the products be regulated where they are not.
To treat vaping in the same way as smoking will completely negate its attractiveness as an alternative to smoking. Coupled with the proposed taxation on vaping products, we know that this kind of regulation will hand the tobacco industry a major advantage against the only product to pose a threat to smoked tobacco since the advent of smoking. So we do not support it.
The legislation seeks to repeal the Tobacco Products Control Act of 1993 to promote public health and to align the country with the World Health Organization Framework Convention on Tobacco Control. The current smoking laws allow for smoking in designated areas for places like restaurants and bars, but once passed, this will change.
The current law allows for a 25% of a smoking area in an entertainment sector or restaurant. But the bill is proposing to remove even that 25% due to the challenges that are experienced by non-smokers. So we'll now have 100% smoke-free areas in restaurants.
A move that's been given a thumbs up by some experts.
We cannot overemphasize the cost of smoking in this country. 42 billion is 1% of GDP. But the tobacco industry pays 12 billion in excise tax, right? In the same year that it cost 42 billion. 12 billion excise comes from smokers, not from the tobacco industry. They basically just collected it. The smoker paid it when they're buying the cigarette and puts it on. So the smoker is 12 billion rand poorer. The government, 14.8 billion poorer, looking after them. And then 31,000 of them will still die and not be able to contribute to the economy.
And the public's opinions differ.
Sure, people should be allowed to smoke, but where's the protection of those who don't want to smoke? Where's the protection of their rights to not inhaling secondhand smoke?
If they go to designated areas, then we, people who don't smoke, would be safe from that. So I think it's quite a good gesture to put in the new law.
As much as it's good for health awareness, yeah, me personally, I would say it's not really a good move.
I don't know. I'm indifferent, but I don't see a problem with them.
If passed into law, it will ban smoking even in private dwellings such as houses and multi-unit residences. It also prohibits smoking in cars where non-smokers, including children, may be present. Mulimawani Moto, SABC News, Pretoria.